Hello friends, today we will discuss the MCQs on cultural, social and demographic aspects of Jharkhand tribes. Question number 1. Which is the largest tribe in Jharkhand in terms of population? A. Munda, B. Santhal, C. Oraon, D. Ho. Answer is B. Santhal. The Santhal tribe is the largest Jharkhand, constituting approximately 31.86% of the state's tribal population according to 2011 census. They are also the third most populous tribe in India, known for their widespread presence in states like West Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. To which ethnic group does the Gond tribe of Jharkhand belong? A. Dravidian, B. Proto-Australoid, C. Nordic, D. Negrito. Answer is A. Dravidian. The Gond tribe is classified as belonging to Dravidian ethnic group. They are one of the largest tribes in India and speak Gondi language, which is a part of Dravidian language family. 3. What is the youth dormitory called in Oraon tribe? A. Ghotul, B. Dhumkuria or Ghumkuria, or Gitiora or Sarna. Answer is B. Ghumkuria. Some people call it Dhumkuria also. In the Oraon tribe, the youth dormitory, a traditional institution for socializing youngest members, is called Ghumkuria or Dhumkuria. This is distinct from Ghotul of the Gond tribe. Ghotul is of Gond tribe and Gitiora is for other tribes. 4. Which tribe in Jharkhand is known as the man of the forest? A. Birhor, B. Santhal, C. Kharwar, D. Munda. Answer is A. Birhor. The Birhor tribe is referred as the man of the forest due to their traditional hunter-gatherer lifestyle and dependence on forests for survival. Their name reflects their deep connection to forest-based activities. 5. According to Census 2011, what is the population of Ho tribe in Jharkhand? Option A is 1,52,663, B 2,09,448, C 8,06,921, D 1,35,797. Answer is C 8,06,921. The Ho tribe, the fourth most populous tribe in Jharkhand, had a population of 8,06,921 as per 2011 census. They are primarily found in the Kolhan region, particularly West Singhbhum. Question number 6. What is the primary religion followed by the Santhal, Munda and Oraon tribes? A. Hinduism, B. Christianity, C. Sarnaism, D. Buddhism. Answer is C. Sarnaism. Sarnaism, a nature-worshipping religion, is the most followed faith among Jharkhand's tribe, including Santhal, Munda and Oraon, with 45.23% adherence. It involves worshipping natural elements like trees, rivers, and sacred groves called Sarnasthal. 7. Which tribe in Jharkhand is classified as a particularly vulnerable tribal group? PVTG. A. Santhal, B. Asur, C. Munda, D. Vumij. Answer is B. Asur. The Asur tribe is one of the 9 particularly vulnerable tribal group PVTGs in Jharkhand, recognized for their small population and endangered status. The other PVTGs include Birhor and Korwa. What is the name of the head of the village organization in Kharwar tribe? Option 1, Manji, B. Pahan, C. Madi, D. Baiga. Answer is A. Manji. In the Kharwar tribe, the head of the village organization is called Manji, a common title for village leaders among several Jharkhand tribes, including Santhal. Question: which tribe in Jharkhand is known for its traditional occupation of iron smelting? A. Asur, B. Mahi, C. Lohra, and D. Chikbaraik. Answer is A. Asur. The Asur tribe is traditionally associated with iron smelting a skill that has been their hallmark occupation. This distinguishes them from artisan tribes like Mahali, who are known for basket weaving. Mahali are known for basket weaving. 10. What is the literacy rate of Bhumi's tribe in Jharkhand according to 2011 census? A 54.2%, B 56.7%, D 39.6%, D 59.8%. Answer is B 56.7%. The Bhumis tribe, primarily engaged in agriculture and forest-based activities, has a literacy rate of 56.7% in Jharkhand as per 2011 census.